Hi, I'm Ben Hageman, one of the owners of American Pressure, and I've been working in this industry since the 90s. I want to talk a little bit about pumps, what's the same, what to worry about, what not to worry about. You might have a T1011, you might have a TS1021. Both of those pumps have been superseded to this pump, the TSS1021. So, what are some of the differences? What do you want to look for when you're purchasing a pump? Well, the older style was boxy, like this cutaway we still have, and the new style has become more sleek, a little better design, a little better reinforcement. So, functionally, there is no difference. Aesthetically, there are some differences. The oil end looks different, different moldings, again, a little more structure, so that could be considered functional. The mounting points, exactly the same. Shaft on the side of the pump, 24 millimeters, so completely interchangeable. Bore and stroke the same, so you can take this pump and put it in place anytime you've got a T1011, TS1021, and this again is a TSS1021. Why the extra S, you wonder? So a few years back, they changed the valve cap design. You can see this is the old design with coarse threads. This would have been on a TS1021, and then add the extra S, TSS. So the only difference in the parts inside these pumps, aside from the look of this oil end, is the valve cap itself. Finer thread, coarser thread, better performance with that finer thread for pressures. And then you'll see on the old cap, no stamping. On the new cap, there's a HP stamped right there. So you can look at a pump and know which you have. Again, this pump will be a direct replacement for those pumps. Now, one difference you might notice here, this plating on this example we've got to show you what the oil end looks like, is nickel plated. If you want a nickel plating, some water conditions, that's a good idea. Then you want to upgrade to a TS1021. Then you get the nickel plating. You'll still get the same bore, same stroke, directly interchangeable. They'll have the same pressure ratings. Inside the pump, you'll find the exact same check valve kits work in all these models we've talked about. Make sure they're genuine inner pump. There's patents on this valve. There's some design here. If you go to aftermarket, especially at the closer to the 5.6 gallon minute flow rate, those aftermarket valves aren't going to last like they should, and you'll have other tolerance issues. Same thing with seal kits. I always insist upon the General Pump original. They'll last better, they'll load properly in the head, and they'll fit in all those pump models. So again, you've got a T1011. This is the pump you want. TSS 1021, 5.6 gallons a minute, 3,500 PSI. It'll perform well. It's a great pump, proven technology, and built really well. Made in Italy, General Pump.